Rumors and early prototype leaks suggest that DJI is hard at work on a successor to its popular ultra-lightweight palm drone. The upcoming DJI Neo 3 is expected to bridge the gap between casual selfie drone and serious content creation tool, bringing major revisions to its frame design, camera capability, transmission infrastructure, and flight performance. One of the most talked about aspects of the Neo 3 leaks is a refined, slimmer propeller guard architecture. Slimmer profile. Early prototype field tests indicate a less bulky frame while maintaining the crucial full enclosure safety necessary for hand launches and tight indoor spaces. Sub 250G weight class. Maintaining a weight under 250 grams remains a priority to keep registration and regulatory requirements simple for casual pilots across global markets. Optimized airflow. Redesigned side vents and motor housings aim to improve thermal dissipation, supporting slightly stronger motors and extended flight endurance. Building on the momentum of previous iterations, the Neo 3 is rumored to push camera quality further. Enhanced low-light performance. Speculation points either toward an optimized sensor size with advanced noise reduction or a physically larger sensor layout to handle challenging lighting, sunsets, overcast days, and indoor spaces. Pro-level color and resolution. Expectations lean heavily on maintaining 10-bit color, D-Log M profiles for color grading flexibility, and high frame rate options like 4K at 60 frames per second or potentially 120 frames per second for smooth slow-motion capture. Perhaps the most exciting shift for tech enthusiasts is connectivity. O4 Plus transmission. Rumors suggest the Neo 3 could support DJI's advanced O4 transmission architecture, drastically increasing range stability and video feed clarity. Goggles compatibility. Potential compatibility with gear like the Goggles N3 means the Neo 3 could act as a hybrid crossover, allowing beginners to fly standard line-of-sight shots or strap-on goggles for an entry-level FPV experience without buying a dedicated racing drone. Industry watchers project that DJI will target an aggressive entry-level price point roughly between $229 and $279 for standalone kits, with Fly More packages offering extra batteries and charging hubs. If these prices hold, the Neo 3 could cement itself as the ultimate affordable multi-use drone. As the ultra-compact drone market continues to evolve, the anticipated arrival of the DJI Neo 3 positions the brand to capture an even wider audience. By addressing user feedback, refining the aerodynamic safety cage, upgrading sensor dynamics, and integrating advanced connectivity like O4 Plus, DJI is blurring the lines between a casual pocket vlogger and an entry-level FPV device. The story of how DJI reached this pinnacle of engineering is nearly as fascinating as its hardware. Founded in 2006 by Wang Tao inside a university dorm room, the company spent its early years struggling to survive. In 2008, facing slow sales and financial strain, DJI pivoted toward refining autonomous flight controllers and specialized helicopter components. Would you be more interested in using the DJI Neo 3 as a simple, safe hand-launch selfie drone, or would you try pairing it with goggles for an entry-level FPV experience?